Good morning to Vananda. My name is Joel Matthew. I am a boy. I am studying in UKG. My life ambition is to become a police. Got to speak about our national symbol. Our national flower is lotus. Our national bird is peacock. Our national tree is banyan tree. Our national fruit is maika. Our national animal is tiger. Our national game is hockey. Our national anthem is, our national song is Vande Mataram. Our national anthem is Jana Gana